Whoa! Weeds are neighborly. Let's go educate our resident on how to keep our city beautiful.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Code Officer Rojas. Did you know that growing weeds in between your gravel is a code violation?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Okay, can I show you a little bit of what we do as a code compliance officer?
Yes, please.
First, we either receive a complaint from a resident or see the violations ourselves. Second, if the complaint is verified, we'll research and document the violation. Third, we educate the resident like what I'm doing now. After educating, we'll provide a courtesy notice asking our residents to comply with the code. Finally, after a few days, we'll re-inspect the property and either close out the case if the resident brings property into compliance, or we issue a formal notice of violation if the violation is still pending. Have a code concern? Let us know through the AviWise app.